So we're on the way to Black Island, and this is Huma Island, which has basically been an absolute disaster. This was a hotel that was owned, I think, by a Saudi company, and it's just logistically impossible to get anything in. There's no water on the island, there's no power on the island, there's no housing on the island, so the staff have to come out by boat, the guests have to come out by boat. All the food, everything, water and everything has to come out by boat, and logistically it's an absolute nightmare. And it's a beautiful island. As you can see, there's a cell phone tower on the top, and the houses go all the way around. These units used to be the guest rooms, and it's just been abandoned now. Absolute disaster, really big shame. And so if you want to buy a hotel, it is for sale, but you'd be a brave person if you bought that. So here we are at the glass bottom boat, having a good time. You can see at the back of the boat there's the Australians and the English guys, and behind them is 350 horsepower engines. And then this is the glass bottom boat, which you can't see anything at the moment, but later on we're going to go and see a wreck and some pearls and things, and I'll take some photos of that and video for you as well. This boat is the Looking Glass. Okay. Supplied by BBL of Busuanga Bay Lodge in Busuanga Bay. And these guys are awesome. This boat is really, really stable in the water. And yeah, so here's the $1 tour of the boat. It's a really nice boat, beautiful place. There's about 14 of us on the boat right now. And it's a beautiful day. So hopefully you'll come and visit us and look at all these islands in the distance. Hopefully you come visit us one day, and if you do, contact me and Jane and we'll help sort out all your trip. We'll be a concierge service for you if you want. We'll introduce you to some really nice people, all our contacts here, and take you to the best places on Busuanga Island. So I'll see you in the next video.